Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if your YouTube is not working, not playing music or any other problem. How you can fix. First you have to open the settings app. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First go to manage app, and here you have to clear the cache of system like Android system. Clear the cache Android system like this. You can see clear cache Android system web view, clear the cache, and Android system intelligence, clear the cache. And then the second step is go to the YouTube, long press it and go to app information. Here you have to go to storage YouTube, then you have to clear this cache and clear the data, and go to app permission and give all your permission like this. You can see allow this, and then it will be working fine. You can see. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.